Ang ganda, no? Diba? Oh my God, that is beautiful. Oh my God. Yung so, medyo marami na siyang tao ngayon. Ayan, along the beach lang, tingnan mo, parang ang ganda ng tempo. I'm gonna show you. Dito lang sa Canggu Beach. I don't know. Oh, ang sakit sa ano. Ayan, no, look. Look at the tempo. Oh my God. And it hurts. Ayan, no, ang ganda niya. Good morning mga magayonon. So it's another day here in Canggu and nandito ko sa Canggu Beach and I'm having breakfast here. And oh my God, mayroong sexy doon na ano, na Africana, di ba? And I'm having breakfast here sa I don't know the name of the restaurant or the beach whatever restaurant. Bubita lang, di ba? Anyway, I'll show you kung ano itsura nung Canggu Beach in a bit after I have my breakfast. Okay. Anyway, ganito yung tapat niya. Look. Ayan. Maganda. Maganda yung ano. Ito yung mga instructor ng nagsusurf. Kanina pa ako sinasabi na, gusto mo mag-surf? Sabi ko, ayoko. Okay, anyway, kakain ako. That dog is so cute. Diba? Cute ang dog na yan. Tingnan mo. Pero mas cute dito may nakikita ko. Ayan o, mas cute. Ayan, yung dalawa. O, diba? Tingnan nyo. Oh, look. Oh, diba? Diba? So ayun, nandito ko ngayon sa Warung Bumi para siyang eatery dito sa Indonesia. So parang pag nagtitipid kayo, ako kasi nagtitipid na ako ngayon. So pag nagtitipid kayo, dito ako kumain. Yung pinakita ko kanina, it's just 40,000 rupiah. Diba? I'll show you kung ano yung mga pagpipilian. Ito siya. Oh, ayun. Ayan yung mga prices lang. At ayan yung mga pagpipilian nyo. Look. Diba? Marami silang varieties, 5,000 lang. Mamimili lang kayo kung magkano. It's all 5,000 rupiah. Ayan. Diba? Lahat sila. Ito 7K with egg. Ayun. And this is the place. Ayan yun. Ito yung eatery niya. Diba? Sabi nila, it's less crowded, but it's nice to go there during sunset because of like spectacular sunset. But well, we'll see. Baka pwede pa yung ticket na bibilin ko, baka pwede pa akong bumalik after ng mga hapon. So this is Canggu. No, I'm alright. This is so sad. Yeah. So if you're planning to like roam around and explore Canggu, I think Grab Motorbike is honestly one of the best ways to get around Bali if you want to actually see the island up close. Because the ride itself is already one part of the experience. You're just not going from point A to point B. You're passing by beautiful rice terraces that stretch endlessly in green waves, local villages where life moves at a slower pace, and these incredible temples tucked in between roads that feel like they belong in a postcard. So it's one of those routes where you keep telling yourself, okay, I need to put my phone away and just enjoy this. But then you still end up pulling it out because every turn looks better than the last. Tangalat. So we just arrived here sa Tangalat. See, wala pa masyadong tao. I think it's gonna be just me. Oh wow. It's already open, so that's ticketing? That's where I need to pay?
Yeah. No pay.
I'm sorry?
No pay.
Not, oh. So ayan, papasok na tayo sa Tangalat Temple. So this is it. Ang ganda, look, di ba? Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Ayan yung grounds ng Tangalat. It's very nice. Look. Diba? Whoa. So, nandito na ako sa Tangalat. It's so beautiful over here. Like, look, ayan yung kanina. Sobrang ganda. Grabe. I'm so glad na pumunta ako dito early morning. Kasi nga, wala pa masyadong mga tao. Kasi sabi nila pag sunset dito, sobrang daming tao. And all you need to pay is like 70,000 rupiah. Yun lang. And you can stay here for as long as you want to. Ayun. So, I'll show you around kung ano itsura ng Tangalat. Stay with me. Mwah!
SMA 1 Patian Rowo Nganjuk diharapkan untuk segera kembali ke pos karena perjalanan akan segera melanjutkan. Terima kasih.
Oh, ang ganda. Oh, look. Whoa, look at that. Ganda ng architecture. I think if I'm not mistaken, parang this is like 14th century old, I think. It's beautiful over here, really. Ayan siya. So, medyo marami na siyang tao ngayon. Umaga pa lang. But look at that. Oh my God. Diba? It's so beautiful. Yeah. Wow. Oh my God. So this is Tangalat. Ayan siya. Oh yeah, it's probably beautiful here pag sa ano, no? Look. So ito yung Tangalat. Wow. Look at that. She has like that. You cannot you can actually. Pero alam ko you're not allowed to go over there kasi it's a sacred temple. Yeah. But this is it. I'm here now sa Tangalat and I think I'm gonna cross over there. Ask if I can go as a tourist. Ang sabi, yes I can. So I'll go over there and see how it looks like on the other side. Alright. It is such an experience. Look! So I'm crossing. Low tide dito, pwede kang pumunta. Pero pag high tide, of course, you can't. So there. Ayan siya. Look. Beautiful. So there's a holy spring. Bijilampur Holy Spring water. Oh, so this is a holy spring. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. So this is what happened. So pumunta ako dito. Before you can actually go up there, kailangan ko mag-purify. So you have to wash your hands, your feet, and your face. And you need to drink a little bit of that spring. Ayun no. Hindi lang nakunan sa video ko. And they have to put, ayun, nalagyan kanila ng ganyan after na-purify ka. And then you have to, you know, rise. I don't know what it means. Ayun. Because you can actually give like donations if you want. Ayun no. Kasi, ayun, may donations lang. I love the incense. Ayun, anyway, so I'm gonna go up now. It's just so bad that I wasn't able to take the video earlier because it's really nice, alam mo yun. Okay, I'm gonna go up now. Stay with me. Mwah! So I'm gonna go up now since I'm already purified. So this is like, and then you can actually pray up. Dun daw sa taas, you can pray. Kahit anong gusto mong i-pray. Kahit anong raw religion mo pwede, sabi dun sa baba. So this is it. Oh, it's beautiful over here. Ayan, no? Oh, wow. Ito lang. So you can go up. That's it? Okay. Ang sabi ni Kuya, you can go up over there at the very top kasi ano yun, sacred and it's only for Balinese people. So ayun, anyway, it's just a good experience for me. Oh my God, I'm so like, really? Sobrang ang ganda. Anyway, I donated something as well kasi para, 'di ba, makatulong tayo para i-preserve yung ganitong temple. And it's a really nice experience. I love it. I so love it. I love it here. So this is Tanalot. It's beautiful. Look. 'Di ba? Such a beautiful place. Ayan. So, kaya tayo doon kasi meron ditong view deck, I think. So, punta tayo doon. So this is it. Ayan, no? Wow. Beautiful here. Ayan, no? Ganda. Oh, that's the famous. Ayun yung famous na ano. I'll show you. Ayun no, look. If you can see. It's beautiful. My God. Diba? Ganda. It's very nice here. So maganda talaga pumunta dito pag umaga. Kasi wala pang masyadong tao. Ay, may nagsisurf pala rin dun. Beautiful.
Pero llevan cuántos días en Bangkok?
Ayan, so umuulan pero I wanna go to the beach. I'll show you kung paano dito sa Batu Balong to ngayon. Punta tayo sa Batu Balong. And I'll show you kung ano yung itsura dito sa Batu Balong. Okay. Street, papunta dyan, diretso lang, and that's it. Ito. Oh, ito yung papuntang Batu Balong Beach. Ayun o. Actually, kanina yung dadaanan ko, ang dami mga bars and restaurants. Ayun o, ang cute-cute ng ano nila. Oh, ang cute. Ayan, so ito yung Batubalong Beach. Beach. Salamat datang. Salamat. Balong. Oh, balong Canggu, di ba? Nakalagay doon. Ayan siya. Actually, naghahanap ako ng ano. I want something na gusto ko maligo. Kasi tomorrow, aalis na ako. So, ayan siya. Ay, ayan no. Actually, maganda dito. Oh, wow. Ayoko ng cocktail. Ay, parang gusto ko ng mais. Kasi busog pa ako. Pero what I like is fruits. Ay, ang sarap din dito, oh. Anyway, I think wala nang ano. I think I'm going to, what do you call it? Ayan siya. So, I'm here again. Anyway, alam niyo na to, di ba? Nakita niyo na. Nung last time napunta ko dito, ayun no, mga sexy beach. So, walang sunset. Ayan. Mga magayon nun. So it's my last day dito sa Canggu, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go to Seminyak. So sabi ko, dapat may pasok ako mamaya. Sabi ko, huwag na lang ako pumasok. Actually, naka-leave pala ako. And I was thinking of like, sige na nga, mag-work na lang ako since wala naman akong gagawin. But I had a wonderful day today. Lalo yung pinuntahan ko kanina dun sa Tanalot. My God. Pag nandito kayo sa Canggu, make sure na puntahan nyo yun kasi it's really beautiful over there. You can stay, you can spend like 5 hours or more just to explore and take photos and all. Sobrang ang ganda. And now, I'm just relaxing kasi wala nang mga gawa naman dun sa accommodation na tinitirhan ko. But I'll show you tomorrow kung anong itsura niya. It's really quite nice, alam mo yun. And it's also cheap. Ayun, and yeah, so nandito ko ngayon sa Batubalong Beach. And yeah, I'll show you kung ano itsura niya dito. Ang ganda, promise, maganda siya. So, ayan, no? So, ayun nga. So, kung gusto nyo mag-relax, tas manood ng sunset, manood ng mga taong naglalakad, or matutong mag-surf dito kayo sa Canggu Beach or Batubalong. And then, kung gusto nyong uminom or magpa-cute o makahanap ng someone else, di ba? Dito rin yun. Oh my God. Alam mo, kanina nga meron ako nakita dito na parang nilipitan siya. Isang pretty na babae. Tapos nalipitan siya ng lalaki. Kaso, yung babae ayaw niya. Ayun. Ako, walang lumalapit sa akin. Ba't kaya? Langaw lang lumalapit. kanina pa ako nilalangaw. Ano ba yan? Kakaloka. Anyway, I'll show you kung mga bars na pwede nyong pag-orderan para makaupo kayo dito. So ako nag-order lang ako ng, ayun nga, yung dragon fruit smoothie. Ayan siya, for 35,000 rupiah. Para makaupo ako dito and then I can swim din para may nagbabantay sa aking mga gamit. Ayan, kasi ito yung ambience dito. Maganda, oh my God. Sana meron dito sa Pilipinas. I don't know, ang Pilipinas, di ba, ang magaganda tayo ng mga beaches, pero sana gawa nila ng ganito. Ayun, di ba? Ang ganda, promise. Ito, dito parang kung taga-San sila. Very nice, ayan, So funny. When I get back to the hotel, to the place where I'm staying, and I saw I'm about to swim at the pool. And then dun kasi sa pool, parang siya, farm yung sa side niya. And I saw it's a beautiful, sunset. So I run. Para kung tanga na tumatakbo, alam mo yon. In 6 minutes, less than 6 minutes, I got here sa beach, dito sa Canggu Beach. And ito yung nadatnan ko, look. Ayan siya. Ayan yung sunset niya. It's so funny, alam mo yon. Sobrang nagmamadi dito. As in, sobrang napagod ako sa kakatakbo. Tapos, ayan lang yung napuntahan ko. My God, ayan siya, Look, ayan yung sunset. Pero yung sunset kanina, nung nandun ako sa pool, oh my God, it's so freaking beautiful. Sobrang ganda. Anyway, I hope I'll be able to do that in Seminyak or in Uluwatu because I'm gonna go to Uluwatu definitely. My God, Ano, hinihingal ako ng sobra. 6 minutes. My God! Alright. Anyway, I think I'm just going to have a swim dito. I don't know kung pwede pa. Or balik na lang ako dun sa accommodation ko and I'll swim, I think. Ayun, sobrang tanga ko, no? Pero look, meron ditong nag-aano, look. I'm gonna show you. Merong nagpo-photoshoot na babae. Ang grabe, ang ganda niya. Look! Kita mo ba? Ayan. Ayan, no, may photoshoot sila. Oh my God. Oh, di ba? Ang pretty. Oh, ito nainggit si ate. Huwag ka na maingit, ate. Pwede mo rin gawin yan. Oh, di ba? Nainggit si ate. Oh my God. Ako lang dito ngayon sa pool. Pwede ako mag-skinny dipping dito no? Ayan o, ayan yung pool. Kasi ang ganda ng pool nila, swear. Tapos walang naliligo sa pool. Oh my God, kung meron kang boyfriend here, ang sarap siguro mag-swimming dito ng skinny dipping, no? I-try ko nga. Since ako lang naman dito. Okay, I'll try it. So, ayan yung pool. Since that I'm all by myself. Ay, ang ganda, oh. Tapos ano siya, rice patties yan. Ang ganda, look. Huh? Look. Ako lang dito mag-isa. Naku, gabi na. Diba? Narinig niyo yan?